Hello, good morning to all of you. I P.I. Siddhan Gowda, Assistant Professor in Education, Government First Grade College, Hirekeru. Today I prepared a PPT on globalization. In first slide, introduction and definition of globalization. In this, globalization is referred to rapid increase in the share of economic activity taking place across the national borders. It goes beyond the international trade, includes the way in which goods or services are produced or created, delivered, and sold. Definition of globalization is a process of rapid integration between the countries. Next slide. Types of globalization. There are so many types of globalizations are there, in which I have selected main types of globalization. Number one, cultural globalization. Two, technological globalization. Third, sociological globalization. Four, ecological globalization. Fifth, economic globalization. Sixth, political globalization. Seventh, geographical globalization. In next slide, a brief introduction about cultural globalization. Cultural globalization means intensification and expansion of cultural flows across the globe. Culture is a very broad concept and refers to many things. It means culture refers language, communication, uh, rituals, roles, customs, relationship, practices, values, and thoughts, etc. In next slide, technological globalization. Today, uh, technology, the role of technology is very important. In that, technological revolution has meant the global village has expanded to everything corner of the globe, with growth in travel communication and computer technology and mobile, that is smartphones communications. Growth of communication worldwide, use of cell phones and internet access. Next slide, sociological globalization. It is also very important type of globalization. The idea that the citizens of the world are part of a global society rather than individual nation and cultures. Common morals, ideas, ethics are also very important. Here, one more point is very important. Equal work desires equal pay. Lastly, conclusion. Globalization has related in a company operating in more than one country. Next, greater dependence on the global economy. Next, free movement of capital, goods, and services. Thank you, one and all.